Hello YouTube, welcome to a new another video. In this video, today we will learn how we can use ISNUMBER formula in Excel. In below we have three columns: data type, data and result. We take number, text, error, blank and number, text combinedly. Now we apply ISNUMBER formula to get the result. Firstly select ISNUMBER formula and after that select the value as a number, and here we can see the output is true. In case of text, the result is false. In case of error, the result is false. In case of blank, it also shows false. In case of number and text combinedly, the result is false. So here we can see that in only case of number the result is true, and other in every aspect the result is false. If a given value is a text, date or time, it will return false. You can also use the function ISNUMBER through function arguments. For using this function, you have to first go to formula bar and after insert a function, write up the formula, and after that you will see a function argument window. Thanks for watching.